Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty. Let's start to make a wonderful card. For that we need a cardstock, paper, glue, scissor, and see I have cut here hearts from 2 shades of red and a satin ribbon bow and a sentiment. Let's start. First fold the card this way. And see, I have drawn a circle on this white paper. Just cut it. See, I have cut this. Now we'll fold this glue will stick here. Apply glue and bow here. Just let it dry. Now it is dry, and see this card I have folded in this manner, vertical. So this is the sentiment. I'll just stick here. Apply glue. Now we'll stick this hearts. Glue all the hearts. See, I have stick all these hearts. Why buying cards from the market? Make your own personalized card for your loved ones on this Valentine Day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.